Hi guys, let's make some spaghetti with no cheese today. For the sauce, let's add in some blanched spinach and blanch the spinach about 2 to 3 minutes in hot water and then soak it in cold water. Add in about 8 to 10 soaked cashews. Soak the cashews for 10 to 15 minutes in hot water. Add in 3 to 4 cloves of garlic and half a cup of milk. Grind it all well into a paste, and once the paste is done, fry some minced garlic and add in the sauce that you blended earlier and cook it for another 3 to 4 minutes. Add in the cooked spaghetti, and once you add in the cooked spaghetti, add in the pasta water. Season the pasta with some salt and pepper, and once seasoned, cook the spaghetti for another 3 to 4 minutes. And there you have your no cheese spaghetti. And if you like the video, please consider subscribing, liking, and sharing it. Thank you. Tune in back for more recipes.